Again, long paragraph question. Go and read the options first. क्या है? Miss X. What amongst the following should Miss X do now? Immediately disclose the information to the project committee and public. Okay, information they are talking about. Okay, disclosure of information. Recommend removing the contractor from the shortlist to protect the project's integrity. Okay, removing of contract. Second thing. Propose a limited disclosure. Okay, information disclosure again to an oversight committee while keeping the information confidential from the public. Okay, here they are saying disclose the information to the project committee and public. Here they are saying disclose it to the oversight committee and not to the public. So these two together will not be in the answer. So 1 and 3 will not be there. चलो अब देखते हैं क्या पूछा गया. Information related and then contractor related. These two themes we have to find. Miss X is a mid-level civil servant officer working in the urban development of the major city. Okay, ठीक है. Story of her. Recently, she was involved in appropriating a contract for public infrastructure. What is that public infrastructure? A new park. Okay. During the approval process, she received a piece of confidential information indicating that one of the shortlisted contractor, okay, had a history of poor workmanship history, and very important word, allegation of corruption in other cities, though nothing had been legally proven. So there is an allegation of history of workmanship, allegation that poor workmanship, and allegation of corruption. Nothing proven. Okay. Head of the department, Mr. Y, advised her not to disclose this information to the project committee. Acha, do not disclose it to project committee or to the public, because it could delay the project and damage the city's reputation. Okay. However, Miss X believed that withholding such information compromise transparency and public trust. Okay. Now what will she do? Immediately disclose the information to the project committee and public. नहीं जी, don't do this. There is allegation. देख रहे हो, again case study. Allegation. If there is allegation, nothing is proven, then you cannot come to a conclusive conclusion. So this is not the right approach. So 1 would go. हटा दो. 3 तो होगा ही. Second देखते हैं. Recommend removing the contractor from the shortlist to protect the projects. Removing the contractor. Recommending removing the contractor on allegation. Again, this is a 50-50 call. Someone would do it, someone would not do it. So this is a 50-50 call. Usually, she could recommend a investigation against the contractor, not removing. Removing is little harsh because nothing is proven. Investigation, if the word investigation would have been here, this would have been more aligned with the paragraph. So this is wrong. Only this is correct. Only 3. But many of you would have done C also. So this is, I would say, a difficult case study. Answer is B. Again, same. Solve 5 years PYQs of ethics. You will be in good position to solve such questions. Try to be mains ready. And mains ready means 5 years PYQ must do, theme wise. Because prelims is very difficult. People who have got a rank, they are also not able to qualify pre. So once you qualify pre, you must get a rank. That is why be mains ready. Okay. Chalo.